So today I'm just going to be doing all the problems and I'm going to explain my thought process along the way. I've done most of these problems. Some of them I haven't done, like maybe some of the Caddis ones or the HackerRank ones as well. It depends. You'll see the problem where it's from on the top right. Yeah. So I'm just going to be doing all the problems. I think along the way I'll explain it. You may have to make like bookmarks and just like kind of skim through and look for it, but I'm gonna go in order. So timing version, this one's gonna be a pain in the butt because I purposely made it like these types of problems, especially when you have to like convert from string to integer and all that stuff like that. They're like implementation problems and they're pretty darn annoying. So yeah, given a time, convert it to military. For example, do that, return that, return that. Okay. First things first, what I want to do is I want to extract the two numbers at the beginning. Actually, I'll be given a string as input, so I'll just go scanner se.next new scanner in string s. I usually like to name my things s. Got my string. What I could do is I can do I can use what's called integer.parseInt, and that's going to convert my string from an integer to a number. I'm also going to say a boolean b, which would equal to s.substring s.length minus 2 and s.length. Those are just 2. I think string. Oh yeah. That equals PM. There we go. That's boolean. Beginning index and end index. Okay. I may want to output these for debugging purposes so I don't choke, because especially this problem, it's going to be annoying to debug. Okay. So if b x plus f. Stop. Also the AM changes backwards. We have to consider that. So if not b is going to tell us whether it's PM or not. So that means it's AM and x equals to 12, x minus 12. If b, do I add it every time? I think so. Is 12 like 12 straight at 12 p.m.? No, 12 a.m. when 12 o'clock is 0 and 12 p.m. is 12. Okay, and x is not equal to 12. So not equal to 12, x plus 12. And then we just output that. This should be it. Stupid bug. It's true, sees PM. How about maybe like an odd case? Hopefully this will copy well. I think this would copy right. Good. Okay, so my thought process here is you take an integer, parse it, that's going to help us discern it, and there's a couple odd test cases. Whether this is going to be AM and it's equal to 12, I have to subtract it and make sure it's 0. Every other case, like 1, 2, 3, it will just be 1. Here, if it's PM, I add 12. That's just how military time works, and then I just output. Please be right. No idea if this is right. I'll choose Java 8. Why not? I usually know Java 8. Please. I heard people got a lot of runtime errors. Make sure you have public class. I think that's one of the issues. But it's pending. Should not give me runtime error. Pending, 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 pending. I feel like it's giving me runtime. I hate how slow it is. I wish I could make it faster. Submitted. Okay. Whatever. I'll move on. Simple array sum. Given array of integers, find sum of its elements. For example, blah blah blah. So return 6. Okay. So this one's probably going to be one of the easier ones. I just take an input n, and then I add all of them together. So wrong answer. Oh shoot. 5 out of 10. Oh. This is where we go into debug time. 0, 0 on the 24-hour clock. PM. What is this going to return? Do I have all my samples right? Good. It did that right. PM, or is it? Whoa. PM. It's doing it right. Milliseconds, seconds, seconds don't matter. Turn string in a time of a 24-hour format. Well, I guess time to debug. 0, 1. Yeah, let's just go through every hour. Why not? AM 1. How about 0 AM? What do we do about that? Wait, is 0 12? Oh, encoder overloaded. Oh shoot. Bro, I turned down my settings like entirely, dude. Oh, there's no 0, I forgot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 16, 17, 18, 19. I don't see anything wrong. 20, 24, 11. So, PM 2. Is it possible that... No, minutes and seconds should be the same. PM, take out that. Should I just go through every single one? I guess so. Or something like that, yeah. Hour, millisecond, or minute, second, AM. Oh, I have an idea. Yeah, I know. So I forgot to add the 0. So it has to be in a certain format. You have to output it in a certain format. You sneaky little cheeky. Sneaky. 7:00 AM and U. Oh, it's print. So I should. There we go. This should be right. It also takes forever to, I guess, judge for some reason, because I guess the things are bad. Oh, I leveled up. Okay, cool. First problem done. How are we doing on nothing? Okay, next one. Okay, next one. Simple array sum. This should be easy. This is just this. What do we got? I could just do a for loop. I don't even need to make an array. All I need is the sum. So what I can do is, I like using long because I don't have integer overflow, but I don't think it would matter because the highest number we get is just it's like to 100. The constraints don't. To 1,000. It's not bad. Let's see. Should paste 31, 31, 31, 31, 31, 31. Accepted. Next, star. That one wasn't hard. I don't think. I mean, if y'all found it hard, I'm sorry, but it wasn't that bad. You just do an array. You don't even need to make an array. You just have to add it all up, add all the numbers. Sometimes problems will overcomplicate or make things more complicated than it needs to be. Especially like the next few problems. Okay, so Takahashi's playing a game. The prize each time the number of coins you've collected so far is a multiple of 10. Becomes multiple 10. Takahashi has collected how many more coins does he need to get? Okay, easy. So we're given an integer. What is the highest integer we're given? 10 to the 5th. Okay, we're fine. I think this should be the answer. So basically, we need to know how many coins to get to the next multiple of 100, and all I have to do is essentially this 140 is the exact same thing as 40. in a sense. It has the exact same problem. And so all you have to do is take out all the multiples of 100 and then simplify it down. And then you know that for 40, you need 60 more to get to the next 100. So yeah, this is kind of what looks like. I bet y'all can figure this out on your own. I think I explained it pretty badly. But essentially, you have 100, which represents the number you want to get to, and then n mod 100, which is the like the amount you already have. So 140, 60. So, dang, no cards. So sad. Yeah, I'm also playing Yu-Gi-Oh. Oh, I put it in C++. I'm an idiot. Massive idiot. We're doing it on here. Recording well, recording well, recording well. 17 out of 17, good. Play Snook. Okay. Okay, I should focus on this later. Takahashi wants to buy a popular video game called Play Snook. There are end shops that sell Snook. What for? Play Snook. Okay. So there are end shops. It takes I-minutes to walk there. Go to one of these shops on foot and buy Snook if it's still in stock when he gets there. However, Play Snook is so popular, no one calls it stock will decrease by 1. But the following moments, okay. Determine whether Takahashi can buy Snook. If he can, find the minimum amount of money you need to buy one. Okay. How was the input given? NAPX. So X, what is X? It's the amount of Snooks. So they decrease by 2 every second. Or actually, it's better to think of 0.5, actually, it would be better. Decimals are always annoying. Okay, we'll first take in as input. I hate how ArrayList takes so long to type out. Oh my god, bro. Okay, size don't matter. It don't matter in this case. APX. Can I like Control E? Is that a thing here? Control E can help you duplicate lines, which makes things just a little bit faster. Okay, so I made my array lists. I'm going to a.add se.nextInt, and I'm going to copy this 2 more times, and it'll be for P and X. Okay. Cool. Next. So we need to find the minimum amount of time. If he goes to shop 1, he will have 2. They will have 2 Snooks. Wait, does he start at shop 1? I don't know the amount of time to walk there. Okay. It's the amount of time to walk there. Snooks. Most blah blah blah. Oh. Wait, it's every second. This is confusing. What the heck? So it's like the lower bound?
Okay, interesting. So when he gets there, at shop 1, I'm not gonna say Snook, I'm saying Snake. It's such a weird name. Play 2 Snake. If he goes to shop 1, he'll still have to have 2 play snakes when he gets there. You can buy 1 for Chinese yen, for 9 yen. X represents the amount of snakes in stock. So the first shop requires him to go, it takes him minutes. Price doesn't matter, so this is price. So it takes him 3 minutes. That means 3 go out of stock and 2 are there. You can buy 1 for $9. For $9? Why is it $9? Oh, okay, it's an order like this. Okay, so up, down. Okay. 3 minutes, stock, buy not 1 for 9. 4, 1 in stock, you can buy 1 for 8. 5, 0 in stock, you can't buy 1, so it's 8. Okay, easy. So I actually did this wrong. What I can do here is just adjust my input. Cool. So now like that. And I think I can just take a maximal answer. We'll CB. If Z will be okay. If the amount of time taken to get there, which is A, which is the first one, is greater than or equal to Z, or shoot, I hate .get. Oh my god, I hate Java so much. P.get I Z x.get I. These are just random letters. This is very not conventional. You should not do this. I'm kind of too lazy to type out everything. So I want to do this quickly. Make sure there's a long add. Long is not even necessary. I don't know why I'm doing this. Okay. Stop. Who is this guy? This is just 10 to the 18th. It's ridiculously big. Oh, wait. Can't convert in this in Java? You're so stupid. Java doesn't have, like, in-place casting. So dumb. Who the decided that? C equals to W. If answer is equal to 2018, shoot, what did I do wrong? Let's see. Fine. Oh, it's Math.max. And this should be 118. And for some reason they can't convert it for you because Java is annoying. Annoying. 8. Good. So my strat here is I just take input, of course, do an array list, and I just go along my array to see how much time or how much money does it cost how much. Yeah, I just essentially take the minimum number here, which the time taken to get there is less than or equal to the time or the amount in stock. It's not too bad. 8161 looks similar. So yeah, that's kind of the strat here. It's not too bad. It is a little wordy. You just have to get used to it, which really sucks. And encoder. Gosh, my computer sucks. Judging. This is the code. Accepted. Next. Bigger is greater. Okay. So it is often known that an applicable a string is greater than another string when it comes to lexicon. In a given word, create a new word by swapping some or all its characters. This word must be greater, and it must be the smallest word that means the new.
What are you doing?
I'm solving all the problems from my contest today.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I'm solving all the problems in my contest I made today. So I made a lot of problems for like the people for computer science, and I'm solving them and giving them solutions.
Say hello.
Who's this?
Russell.
Who's Russell?
A friend of mine.
Stop talking to boys.
What's wrong with that? You talked to Eugenie. What's wrong with
Eugenie's like my best friend.
that? And?
Yeah, she's my best friend. It's very different.
Dude, Russell's agreeing with you. He's like, why are you talking to boys? You've got issues.
Next largest word. Okay, so guys, don't worry about functions.
Who are you talking to?
I'm making a video.
Oh, sorry.
You're
Okay,
annoying.
I'll leave now.
So don't worry about making a function as long as you output the right word, you're fine. So number of test cases. If you've been to some of my classes, test cases will appear often. So yeah, usually what I like to do is I'll do a TC, and I'll just do like a for loop or something. And then I like this. So I'm given a string, and I find the next lexicographic one. See, in C++, there's a function called next permutation. And essentially, it makes things a lot easier. But in Java, that is not the case. It's not the case. What I could do... I may have chosen a hard problem for this one. See, if I pull up C++, I can do this in 2 seconds, but if I do it in Java, it just makes it hard. I did not notice that. I'll do it in C++ just to flex, because I know Shittich knows C++, my boy. So I'll probably do that because I know C++ better. Just give me a sec. Code forces contest. If I just delete all this, actually Shittich wouldn't understand any of this. Never mind. This is all in like my template. God. It's -1, right? Oh, no answer. So let's choose this. I think this is one of the reasons why I don't like Java. They don't have functions like next permutation. I need to do something like DFS or something stupid just to get the right answer. CPP. Oh, shoot. I don't know if this is going to work because it's not in the latest C++ language. Huh? It's processing. Yeah, okay. Shut up. I hate C++. Okay, we're gonna have to code it out. Int main